Straight bar cable push down. A straight bar push down is a triceps exercise where you extend your arms downward while standing upright. Any exercise that extend your arms is going to work the triceps muscle. However, the push down exercise is excellent for isolating the triceps without involving the chest or shoulders. It's also important to realize that the triceps includes three muscle heads. These distinct muscle parts are called the long head, lateral head and medial head. Seated barbell triceps extension. The barbell triceps extension is an effective movement for building up the back of your upper arms. The exercise is fantastic because you can do them in different ways, seated or standing. Each variation offers unique benefits and you should go with the one of you find most comfortable. The only difference with the standing version is that you do the above without sitting on a gym bench. Start with a lighter weight because it is more difficult to remain balanced when doing standing triceps extension. Single arm cable kickback. The single arm triceps kickback targets the triceps, and by working one arm at a time, you are also engaging your core and torso for stability. This exercise helps to sculpt and tone the arms, increase upper body strength and improve your balance. Machine seated dip. Triceps dip machine is an compound triceps exercise that increases arm strength and develop arm muscles. Although the focus is on the triceps muscles, it also works the chest and shoulder muscles. Triceps dip machine muscle worked: deltoid anterior pectoralis major, rhomboids, levator scapulae, latissimus dorsi. Rope cable triceps push down. Triceps push down is a dynamic exercise that is perfect for toning and sculpting your arms. The best part is you can do this exercise with both rope and cable. The real question is which one is more effective, cable rope triceps push down or straight bar push downs. A recent study outlines the benefit of cable rope triceps push down over straight bar push down. According to this study, the rope version is far more engaging for the triceps and target all three muscles at the same time. Cross cable triceps extension. The cable crossover triceps extension is a highly underrated exercise that few lifters take full advantage of. The trick to getting the most from this movement is to use strict form. Extend your shoulders slightly behind your body, or at least bring them further back than in a standard push down, and keep your elbow completely still while you perform the elbow extension motion.